Hey there, thank you for watching my new video. Today I've got a new stitch for you and it's the blossom stitch. These are all just tiny little blossoms, just laying side by side or over each other. So this is the front and the back. And before I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch, I just want to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you did not already do that. And you can turn on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And if you want to help me develop my channel, there are 2 links in the description below where you can donate and help me make some more videos for you. And well, for now I'm just going to show you how to crochet this blossom stitch. I've got a 5mm hook and I've got some yarn. First we're going to make a slip knot. And for this pattern you need to make chains with a multiple of 4 plus 1. So I'm going to unwind some yarn. So make a multiple of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be my swatch. And now just chain 1 more. For row 1 we skip the first 2 stitches. In the next one we're gonna make a double crochet, chain 1, and into the same stitch make another double crochet. And the 2 stitches we skipped counts as a single crochet, chain 1. Skip 1, I'm sorry. So now skip the next stitch, in the next one make a single crochet. And this is what we're going to repeat. Skip a stitch, and the next stitch make a double crochet, chain 1, and into that same stitch make a double crochet. This makes some kind of a V-stitch. Now skip a stitch, in the next one make a single crochet, skip a stitch, in the next one make a double crochet, chain 1, and into the same stitch make a double crochet. So continue this until you have 2 stitches left, and then skip the next stitch, and in the last stitch make a single crochet. And so here is row 1. For row 2 chain 4, that counts as a double crochet, chain 1, and turn your work. And this double crochet, chain 1 stands upon that first stitch, so we're going to skip that stitch. So now skip the next double crochet and you get to the chain 1 space, and there you're gonna make a single crochet, chain 1. Skip the next stitch, that's a double crochet, and in the next stitch, that's a single crochet from the previous row, make a double crochet, chain 1. And just repeat this until you are at the end. So skip the double crochet over here, into the chain 1 space, make a single crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, that's a double crochet, and into the next stitch, which is a single crochet from the previous row, make a double crochet, chain 1, skip the stitch, and then into the chain 1 space make a single crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, which is a double crochet, and into the second chain make a double crochet. So you have the chain 2 which you skipped, so in the second chain we're gonna make a double crochet. So this is all you need to repeat. I'm going to show you one more time. Chain 1, turn your work, the chain 1 stands upon that first stitch over here, and then into the single crochet, so you're skipping that first chain 1, you get here to the single crochet, we're gonna make a double crochet into that stitch, chain 1, and into that same stitch make 1 more double crochet. Now into that double crochet from the previous row make a single crochet, and skip the chain 1 over here, and into the next stitch, that's the double crochet of the single crochet over here, you're gonna make a double crochet, chain 1, and into that same stitch you're gonna make one more double crochet. To the next stitch, that's double crochet over here, make a single crochet, and into the next stitch over here, that's the single crochet from the previous row, because you're gonna skip all those chain ones. You're gonna make a double crochet in that single crochet, chain one, make one more double crochet in that same stitch. And now you have that chain 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna make a single crochet into that third stitch. Now chain 4, 2, 3, 4, turn your work. That chain 4 counts as a double crochet chain 1 on top of that first stitch. So go over to the next chain 1 space, so you're gonna skip that first double crochet and you get to that first chain 1 space, make a single crochet and chain 1. Skip the next stitch in the next one, which is the single crochet from the previous row, make a double crochet, chain 1. Skip the next double crochet and in the chain 1 space make a single crochet, chain 1. Skip the next stitch and into the next one is that single crochet from the previous row, make a double crochet, chain 1, to the chain 1 space over here between the 2 double crochets, make a single crochet, chain 1, skip that last double crochet and in that chain you the chain you made here, make a double crochet. So just repeat those 2 rows until your work is done. And then you've got a nice blossom stitch pattern. I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.